Hi there, guys. So this is an invitation that I'm throwing out there to you to join us on this year-long program that I have called the Fool's Love Journey, where we're going to walk through the 22 major arcanas, their experiences, the challenges, the initiations that they bring up for us. And we're going to be doing all sorts of practices and exercises that are inspired by these cards and the wisdom that's behind them, anything that I can tune into. This is something that is very different than anything else I've taught ever or shared ever, and it's different for many different reasons. One, that it's a year long. One, that it's open for anybody to join for however long you want to. Even though we're going to be structured through this process, I'm not exactly sure how it's going to end, because it's going to be a little bit dictated by the participants that are involved in it, and the shares are going to be a little bit focused or directed or tuned into the vibration of whoever is joining us. At the same time, I'm going to be a participant, and that's also quite different. Why am I a participant? Because I've not stopped growing. I've got plenty of things to learn, and I expect to go in and come out of this course just as I intend everybody to, a different person, or at least the same person with greater self-awareness and more understanding, more light, more love, more passion for life, more excitement for what I'm doing, more heart-centered and more grounded in habits that are going to be beneficial for myself and hopefully inspirational for other people. And I want this to be a group story where everybody's beautiful journey rubs off on everybody else and inspires everybody and gets to inspire everybody else. That's really the one of the key elements to this process. Do we create an intimate group that maybe can grow or maybe can change over the course of the year, but will be an inspirational one to whoever, however, and whatever we need to experience in our journey. It's about supporting each other in understanding how to take responsibility and to own our lessons and to transform ourselves in the way that life wants us to, in the way that we can, in order to be better beacons of light and love for this world. That's the intention. That's part of the privilege I have in sharing this information, and I love it that I don't even know where it's going to go, but I just know that it's going to be inspiration. I love the structure that's set up for me to feel safe enough in order to maybe channel stuff that I've never done before and I've never experienced before. Questions that I've never asked myself in sequences and in ways that I've never investigated into who I am. And that's exciting for me, and I'm honoured to be able to share a little bit of that excitement, a little bit of that inspiration with whoever wants to join in this journey. And if you're interested, just drop me a line and drop me an email in the link below, and I'll get back to you if you have any doubts or queries. I've got plenty of information to share about this course. I think it's going to be a beautiful story. Much love to you all, and I hope you have a great new moon, whether you get to join us on the new moon this upcoming Monday, or whether you bump into this video at another time and you decide to join the course another time, then great, you're more than welcome, and it's destined to be a more than interesting series of events. Much love to all.